Hey guys, if you are a new YouTuber, that's today's video. I'm gonna show you some amazing free AI tools to help you to overcome any problems you are facing. And now let's begin with the first problem, that is getting keywords. For sure, there are many websites out there help you to get trending and best keywords, but here I'm gonna show you a mind-blowing website that is TopbubbleIndex.com. For sure, if you are working on print-on-demand business like on Redbubble, Etsy, and so on, you are familiar with TopbubbleIndex.com to get the beautiful and trending tags that help your designs to rank higher on the marketplace. However, here in the latest update in this amazing platform, you can find this section that says keyword tools. Here you can get the trending keywords for every single social media like Walmart, eBay, Amazon, Google, Pinterest, and so on. And for sure, including YouTube. So when you click over this tool and just insert your seed keyword and select your language and your target country if you want, and then click over this button search. Cake for diet, for example, cake for diet, and click over this one search. Then here you can find different lists of these trending keywords regarding your seed keyword. And the best part, here you can find different stats of this keyword like intent, the search volume, competition index, and CPC, as you observe. So you can find different ideas and different long tail keywords that help you more to insert in your title, description, or making your new videos. And the list goes on up to the 9 pages. So this tool help you to get keyword with these search volume for free. And now let's move on to the SEO of your YouTube video regarding making timestamps. For sure, if you go to YouTube videos like this one, here you can find different YouTube videos chapters or the moments on your video. For sure, that gives your audience and your viewers the flexibility to navigate in your video for the part they want, like nutrition plan, the 2 types of belly fat, and so on. And the best part here is these chapters play a big role on the YouTube SEO because they contain different long tail keywords. So if anyone search for this keyword even on Google, your video would pop up there on the search results. And not to mention the SEO on YouTube itself. So how we can make these chapters for your YouTube videos to go viral and rank higher on YouTube search results? There are 2 different ways. The first way, for sure, you can do it manually. You can just separate your video to different points and insert these timestamps on your YouTube video description. Or you can rely on AI tools. So the first way, you can head over to any of these videos like this video. For example, if you want to make this one as yours, like this one, copy link address and then go directly to this website that is Tubepilot.ai. It's one of the most wonderful tools out there right now to transcribe your file. And it gives you 3 daily transcriptions. So you can click over this button, transcribe your first file, and either you can upload here your file from your device, or you can click over this link icon to import your video from these popular networks. So I can insert here this link, then select your target language, and for sure if you select one of these languages, you can translate the transcript to this language in question. So in a way, I can keep it English and the most accurate model and transcribe. Afterward, you can click over these 3 dots and open transcript. Then I can take this entire transcript, copy, and now we can head over to ChatGPT or Gemini.Google or Claude as you like. Then I just ask this amazing tool to give me the timestamps of this YouTube video. And here the transcript. And just in a few seconds, ChatGPT gives you these timestamps. For sure, you can highlight and keep the main points like the step 1, for sure the intro, the most important one, to begin your timestamp section, and you can insert this one, step 1, step 2, step 3, and so forth. And for sure, you can insert one of these if you like the importance of protein intake for fat loss as you like the most highlighted key points on your video. So then you can take as you want, and just you can, as I said earlier, keep the first one that starts with 0 seconds. Then you can go back to your video like this one and insert in your description as you see. That you can use as a manual method to insert your timestamps. And for sure, you can get help from AI tools that give you the timestamps just with a click of a button. Like this one, Subtitle.com, one of the leader and pioneer tools to transcribe any video you like with adding captions, editing capabilities, and much more. So here you can upload your video from this button, add a new video. Then you can click over this video you have uploaded, and here you can find in this panel different tools to edit your video. Like you can get add a caption, you can get a SRT file, and so on. What matters us now, that is, you can go to AI tools, and you can head over to this one, the timeline or timestamps. Click over this button and it gives you these amazing timestamps. So you can copy and paste in your YouTube video description box. Or you can use gravityride.com. Here you can find amazing AI tools for plugin sales, social media, and YouTube, and including the timestamps generator. So all you have to do is just insert the link of your YouTube video, and it gives you back the timestamps with high accuracy. So this problem we have solved by using these tools. If you want to add timestamps, and you should do this one to make your videos more optimized for search. And the next problem, if you don't have the method or don't have ideas to come up with to create beautiful and compelling YouTube thumbnails, so you can use this amazing platform to get inspiration. That is Behance.net. Here on Behance, one of the most popular platforms for freelancers, graphic designers, and so on. So they are showing off the best templates of their projects, as you see. So anyone like you and me can hire them to make as such, like YouTube thumbnails, as you see. So you can search for the YouTube thumbnails, and here you can get hundreds of these attractive YouTube thumbnails for different niches and ideas. So you can take an idea and get inspired with these different YouTube thumbnails and create such of them for your YouTube using Canva.com or any other editing tool you like. So you can get this one to get massive ideas for making attractive YouTube thumbnails. And for sure, you can go to its twins like Dribble.com. He can find a lot of different YouTube thumbnails to get inspired with. And as for ensuring your YouTube thumbnail is attractive or not, you can use this following tool. That is thumbnailchecker.com. It's a free tool that gives you the opportunity to figure out that YouTube thumbnail is attractive or not. So you can upload here a YouTube thumbnail or 2 or 3 if you have different versions of this one, and insert your title here and click over this button, check your thumbnail, and it gives you back a live exposure of your YouTube thumbnail among different videos on the homepage of YouTube. So with your eyes and your taste, you can find out if your thumbnail is attractive for you to click over it or not. So you can use thumbnailchecker.com for free. And the next problem is you want to get many tools regarding YouTube, like you can get tags, headline, ideas, and so on. And here I will give you different amazing free platforms. Starting with this one that says Tubepilot.ai. This amazing website is for YouTube only. Tubepilot.ai. And packed with amazing AI tools like YouTube font generator, video audit, comment generator, monetization checker, video to notes, video to article, watch time calculator, image downloader, subtitle downloader, music checker, summary, data viewer, and much more. So if I try something like I wanna go for hashtag or ideas generator, so click over this one and then set your video topic like losing weight, and then insert your main keywords regarding your topic like fitness, weight loss, and so on. Include emoji so I can check it. Yes, tone I can select excited and generate ideas. And just in Snap you can find a bunch of these beautiful ideas to create your upcoming videos. 10 tips how I lost ultimate fat burning workout routine, my 30-day fitness challenge, and the like. And the next platform, that is AI, freebox.com. For sure, I just talked about this amazing website in details in a previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Here you can find over 500 AI templates that cover any field you are working on the internet, such as plugin, sales, social media, YouTube, stories, and so forth. As for YouTube business, you can search for YouTube, for example, YouTube, and here you can find this website packed with different AI tools regarding YouTube. So you can get outline, name, intro, hooks, description, and so forth. And just I recommend for you to watch the whole video about this amazing platform. And the next platform that help you more to get trending and attractive titles, that is Tubeoptimize.com. It's a free website to get tags, keywords, and the best section I love so much is title generator. Here you can find two different options. Either you can select the AI powered YouTube title generator or trendy piece that I prefer. So you can select this one, trendy paste, and insert here your main keyword like cake for diet, for example, and select your target country. And why I select this one, trendy paste, because it gives you the best titles that are performing well regarding this keyword. So you can click over this button, generate titles, and just in few seconds here you can find different titles that are already successful in YouTube, like healthy diet cake with oats and apples and so on and so forth. So you can get one of them quickly and customize it a little bit and tweak it to be newer and not just copy paste. So these titles are performing well on YouTube regarding this keyword and this topic. And if you are confused how you can make your YouTube description from scratch and from ground up, I recommend you this website, that is tubeatlas.com/YouTube description generator. Here, if you go to this one generator, you can create your description as you like, starting with a description, a brief description of it, and walking through different parts like the main topics and timestamps that you got earlier in the first tools, about your channels, some recommended videos, our products, and the structure of your description as you like, using emoji from this green button as you like. Then you can click over this button, generate description, to get the entire description ready for your copying. Or you can head over to this one, templates, that gives you ready or done for you templates for your YouTube video. Like you can template 2, template 3, template 4, and here you can change these details with your own. Like you can go this one, for example, and here you can find different links for your social media, for timestamps, and so on and so forth. These templates help you to save your time and save the structure appealing for the audience. Or you can get hashtags from this tool as well for free, as you see. And of course, Tubeatlas.com YouTube description generator. It belongs to Tubeatlas, one of the strongest software to dig deeply in the YouTube analysis and search for winning keywords and so on. Now we can move on regarding hashtag and tags for YouTube videos. So you can use this one, that is rapidtags.io. It's a free tool that gives the opportunity to get tags and trending tags for the YouTube video in any language you want. So here you can set your topic like cartoon, and here you can find different tags like preschool songs, fun songs, kids songs, educational videos, and so on and so forth that are relevant and related to this seed keyword. And the last website I recommend for you if you just looking for a software or online editing tool to make your videos for social media or YouTube videos, to make a screen recording for free and make a voiceover and so on. Here you can use this one, that is Clipchamp.com. It's a comprehensive platform that gives you all you want to make your video shining on any social media you like. And that's it. You can find different AI tools that help you more in your YouTube business without need any paid tool at all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.